Welcome to the SARS Tax Practitioner Readiness Program. Module 3. How to register as a tax practitioner. Learning objectives. At the end of this module, you are expected to understand how to register as a tax practitioner, understand how to configure your tax practitioner registration, understand how to add your tax practitioner portfolio to your e-filing profile. The registration process is a three-step process. First, you register with the RCB. The RCB will then submit your details to SARS via a platform for RCBs. Secondly, you log on to e-filing using your login details and update your registered particulars indicating that you are a tax practitioner. This is done via the RAV 01 form, which is the Registration, Amendments and Verification form. Thirdly, once information has been updated, you would need to select the RCB that you belong to. If you are registered with more than one RCB, you need to select one of your choice. This will be your RCB on the SARS system. The steps to follow. Log into e-filing using your primary user login credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the screen, which is on the next slide, in order to finalize the registration process. You would click on the Home tab, then you would click on Maintain Registered Details. This will then generate the RAV 01 form. You will scroll down to My Tax Practitioner Details. Now that the RAV 01 form has been generated, you need to complete the necessary information on there. For example, it will ask you for the date of your appointment, which controlling body you belong to. This can be done on the RAV 01. If you are registered with a controlling body, the controlling body has submitted the information to SARS successfully. You need to select the RCB from the list of RCBs in the controlling body field. However, if you are not registered with an RCB, or the RCB has not submitted the information to SARS, you will not be able to select the RCB, hence you will not be able to complete the registration process. After you have selected the controlling body, you can click the Done button. After you have submitted the RAV 01 form, you will receive the following message. This says, "Thank you for submitting your registered details to SARS." You click Continue. In the event that you already have a tax practitioner number, you do not need to do this step again. This step is only in the event that you are a new tax practitioner and the system has not generated a tax practitioner number for you as yet. However, if you are an existing tax practitioner, you do not need to do this step. So once again, you would click on the Home button. You'd click on Maintain SARS Registered Details. You'd click on My Tax Practitioner Details. Once this has been done, the PR number will now be pre-populated. You can now copy this PR number because you will need this PR number when you do the final step, which is the configuration. But bear in mind, you only repeat this step if you do not have a tax practitioner number. If you already have a tax practitioner number, you will do the configuration straight after step 1. You may now add your tax practitioner portfolio. It's important to note that as a tax practitioner, the portfolio that you need to select is that of a tax practitioner and not an organization. A tax practitioner may register a new tax practitioner portfolio by doing the following. You click on My Profile, Portfolio Management, and then you say Add Portfolio. You would give this portfolio a name so that you understand which portfolio you are working on. From the portfolio type, you would select tax practitioner and not organizations. Once that selection has been done, you then click Add Portfolio. Once you've added the portfolio, you now need to do the configuration. The Tax Practitioner Registration Configuration section, this functionality enables tax practitioners to confirm their tax practitioner status at SARS. And it also allows practitioners to link other users to other activated profiles. So on the Organization tab, ensure that the correct taxpayer is selected. You select Services, Additional Services, and then Tax Practitioner Registration. The final step is step 3, and this is where you need to activate your tax practitioner status. So remember earlier on you had to copy that PR number. This is where you're going to paste it in now. The other information on the screen is already pre-populated. So once you have done that, you click on Confirm Tax Practitioner Status. Thank you for watching this video on how to register as a tax practitioner.